Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to list the Docker images. How many images we have created in the Docker we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To see the list of the Docker images currently, those who have watched my videos, they come to know about that what project I have created, so they come to know about that, right? So copy this Docker images, go to the terminal, put the sudo over here and just run this command. So here you can see that the 9 minutes ago I have created this application, that is my node app with the tag 1.0. This one 9 minutes ago. Here you can see that the I have already created this container, and this is the tag that I have added, that is my tag my node app 1.0. So here you can see that the tag is 1.0, repository is my node app, image id you are getting, created you are getting, size you are getting. Okay, so this command will display the list of all the Docker images that are currently stored on your local machine. The output typically includes the information such as repository name, tag, image id and the creation date. If you are using more recent version of the Docker, you might see a recommendation to use the Docker image ls. So let's run this command also. I think it will give you the same output as the previous one. Okay, so let's add this, and here you can see the same data is coming with the ls command also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.